there a good place to eat in town? I don't know where I am. I've been asleep for 20 hours. I've really made it! Do you want a real answer, or is that okay? It's not a scary movie. It's not a parody, it's not a spoof, it's not Scary Movie, it is not Tucker and Dale, it is not even Cabin in the Woods. It's nothing like those movies at all. You should see it, and then you will know that it is really trying, it is more ambitious than that. About a bunch of kids get sucked into a bad 80s horror movie, but really it's a story, an emotional story about a girl having a second chance to be with her mother in her mother's most famous bad movie. And so, you know, it's not really a horror movie, there's no blood, it's very sweet and you cry at the end, but it is a love letter to those sort of 80s bad summer camp horror movies. Listen, it's not the first time anyone's made a movie about kids get sucked into a movie. That's Sherlock Jr. did that in 1920. It's not the first, but we're trying to do our own spin. I think using horror is an interesting idea. I think telling a story, a personal story about the reverbs of a death, of grief, of that loss, and telling that story in the middle of a genre that does not take death seriously. In fact, the higher the body count, the more fun the movie is. The more people get murdered and the grosser it is, the better the movie. But that's so fucked up. And I'm guilty of also liking the bloodlust. I like those movies.
Anyone want to help me pick some strawberries?
Nope, but I'll give you a hand with those melons. Talking about her boobs.
The writing is so bad.
What is that noise?
It's Billy. He's coming. Everyone who has sex in this movie dies. It's awesome.
No sex.
I think it's very exciting to me that this movie is being embraced by the horror community, the horror and fantasy community. Because I was very worried, actually, that this movie would be rejected by them because the movie is PG-13 and it's not really about the murder and it's not really, you know, bloody. It's not about that. It's sort of almost subverting that. And I thought maybe we'd be rejected because we pussified the genre.
Wait. Selfie time.
Guys, it's not a fucking horror movie.